God, close. This is fucking.
Yeah, I said that shit before. There's like shoots there and shit.
Ew. Paradise, look how creepy this is. Look. Greg, stop. You ready?
It's so fucking dark.
Are you ready? This must be the laundry room.
Watch out for like I don't know, like little critters, like fucking raccoons or some shit.
That's outside, I think.
Go ahead.
How do you get to the basement? Paradise? Are you outside?
Over here.
No, they're in here. How do you get to the basement? I know. Oh, something just flew in my head.